You son of a bitch! That's why you don't steal purses! Pussy! Excuse me? You talking about my man? Oh, you the hoe that slept with him last night? Oh, you wanna know where I am? I'm at Friendship. You're right now, Beansy gang, nigga. Oh, shit, come on. Mama gotta get a drink. She thirsty. Mama thirsty. Yeah, I'm gonna get myself an ice cold tea, baby. Ice cold tea. Oh, my purse! Where'd my purse go? Oh! That's how you don't steal purses, you stupid fuck! Oh! I feel something creeping up in my... Oh, I gotta let one loose here. I gotta find myself a restroom. I gotta find a restroom quickly. Oh, she's coming. Oh. 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 I left my purse. Oh, there it is. Oh, thank goodness. Silly me. Silly me. Leaving my purse there. I am parched today. Yes, I am. Oh, wow, I gotta catch me a ride out of here. Oh, I'm waiting for one. Woo! Oh! Taxi! Taxi! Please, please, taxi! Taxi! Oh, no! Oh, shoot! Shoot, my purse! Oh, excuse me, kind sir. Oh, thank you, sweetie, for watching my purse for me, you heaven-sent little angel. Heaven-sent.